Hello all, welcome to session 80. In this session, I am going to practically demonstrate size command in Selenium Python. So let's get started. What exactly is this command? Using this command in Selenium Python, we can retrieve the height and width of the specified or given UI element. Now let me practically demonstrate the size command for you. For that, I'll first open this PyCharm IDE where we have this Python file having some sample Selenium automation code already written for opening the Chrome browser, for maximizing the browser window, and for opening this application URL in the browser, something like this. Okay, in the browser, the application URL will be opened like this by the automation script. After that, I will retrieve the height and width of the search box field. As you can see, height is less and width is more for the search box field, right? I would like to retrieve the height and width of the search box field. For that, I have to locate the search box field first. Right click on the search box field and select the inspect option. And here is HTML code for the search box field, which can be located using the name locator. You see, name is equal to search is there. I'll copy this name attribute value here. And I'll say here driver dot find element by name. Here I'll provide the name locator and say dot size command. What is the command we have to use, guys? Size command. For retrieving the height and width of the specified URL element, we have to use the size command in Selenium Python. So this will retrieve the height and width of the search box field, which I'll be storing this size, retrieved size, that is height and width, into a kind of variable, say search size. Okay, search box field size, search size. I am saying if I print this out, if I print this search size, okay, this particular variable, that is search size, it will print the height and width of the search box field. I'll simply close the browser after retrieving and printing the search size of the search box field. So right click, run it. As you can see, it was very fast, and the script was able to retrieve the height and width of the search box field. Height of the search box field is 40 and width is 373. So hope guys you understood how to use the size command in Selenium Python. So that's it guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.